In today's video review, we will be taking a look at the IMPOSSIBOX by Bacon Magic and Wang. So what is the effect? You take out a playing card tuck box, and from inside you produce a coin, a credit card, magic wands, and even liquid. As if the box was enchanted by an extension charm, or it was Doraemon's pocket. At the end, you reveal that the box all the while held a full deck of playing cards. So what do you get with the IMPOSSIBOX? It comes in this black hard shell box. Unfortunately, I cannot show you everything that's inside because I try not to expose anything on the channel, but Bacon Magic is very transparent. If you take a look at the product description on Vanishing Ink or Bacon Magic, it shows you everything you get. You will receive a Morgan dollar replica, a credit card, a real shot glass, and 3 of these appearing ones. And also you receive the gimmick. You will, however, need to supply your own deck of playing cards with your favorite back design. The tutorial you receive is about 38 minutes long. The tutorial is in Mandarin with English subtitles. The creator, Wang, goes through everything you need to know about how to set up and perform this effect. He actually does it twice. One from the front, and once again with an over-the-shoulder shot. Now, is this very easy to perform? Yes, it is. It is quite straightforward and easy to do once you practice a couple of times. The quality of the gimmick you receive is very good and should last you many performances. Even the appearing ones should last you a very long time, but I believe you can purchase these very inexpensively if you want to replace them. As far as setup, reset and angles go, you would need to set up the gimmick. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to set up by my estimation. There are angles which you need to be aware of. Your audience will need to be seated directly in front of you. In my opinion, this would be best for a formal performance or to camera. You can perform this seated or standing up. Now, once you set up this gimmick, it is entirely self-contained, even the liquid, which is great. You can have the unit ready in your pocket, and you can be ready to go right into the effect. The playing card tuck box can be shown front and back at the beginning of the effect, and it is completely ungimmicked. The playing cards you produce are also normal at the end, and you can go into your next playing card effect. Now, the cons are you can only produce the items you see in the trailer. A coin, appearing wands, a credit card, and also the liquid. Be prepared for some spillage when you pour out the liquid. On the product Q&A on vanishingink.com, someone suggested substituting the liquid with salt or sugar, which is a brilliant idea. When I first saw the trailer to this effect, it reminded me of an effect I saw over 10 years ago called Wedge by Jesse Feinberg. Now, I don't have Wedge, but I believe you could produce anything that can fit into the gimmick, except for liquids. And the gimmick was quite large. You can produce things like lighters and dice and so on. The advantage of the IMPOSSIBOX gimmick is that it packs smaller and is a self-contained unit. You can just have it on you and it can be rung in any time for this performance. In my opinion, the missed opportunity here is that the items you produce from the IMPOSSIBOX cannot be used to perform subsequently, except for the playing cards. The IMPOSSIBOX retails for $49 US, which in my opinion is a little bit high for the effect you get. The trailer is accurate, and you can do what it says on the box. It is a quick visual effect you can perform right before you go into your playing card routine. If you like what you see on the trailer and can see yourself performing this, then you can consider the IMPOSSIBOX by Bacon Magic and Wang. I would like to thank Bacon Magic for sending this to me so that I can do this review for you. Let me know in the comments below what you think and if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Here are some other reviews for you to watch next. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.